Well, good morning, everyone. How are you today? So, I had my husband go hunt down my 2.5 inch strip cutter because I really wanted to cut the binding and get it for my wall hanging. Right now, I'm really not able to do much cutting, and that was the safest option for me, was trying to run it through here. And I hadn't used this die in probably 10 years. I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not, but thankfully it did run through. So here is my 2-color binding that I did. I cut a 2.5 inch strip of the green and the purple, and these are actually 2 sewn together because I've got, the long side and everything, and I've got another one ready to go to attach what's left here, and then I can fold it and everything to see if I can get this thing bound. So I'm not going to have you listen to me as I'm trying to sew this binding on, because it's probably not going to be very pleasant this morning. It's not a good day for me today. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I did at least get the binding made. So unless I come back with it finished, that'll be the update for today. Well, I am back. I have it finished. And up at the top is kind of like a hidden bar pocket where the top binding is. You can just slide a little pole through there to let it hang. Let me flip it over. Oops. Have to go get the bar. But, yeah, that's what it looks like. It's going to be great. My husband, he thought the green should have been a little bit lighter, but after he saw it finished, I think he likes it. And then here's how the binding is on the edge. I guess if I wanted to top stitch it, I probably could, but nah. It'll be all right. As soon as we get the board, let's see, I gotta get it back the right way. As soon as we get a rod or something, it's gonna go up, and then maybe you'll get to see it on the blue door. Talk to you later. Bye.